The sun is very hot today. B. I want to be a doctor. 2. She went to the market. Of. He is a friend of mine. And. I like coffee and tea. A. There is a cat on the roof. In. The keys are in the box. That. I know that you are tired. Have. I have 2 sisters. I am learning English. It is raining outside. 4. This gift is for you. Not. He is not at home. On. The book is on the table. With. Come with me, please. He plays football well. As. Do as I say. You are my best friend. Do. What do you do for fun? At. We will meet at the station. This is a beautiful city. But. I'm tired but happy. His car is red. By. She came by bus. From. Where are you from?
تابعنا على موقعنا إنجليزي.net لتتعلم الإنجليزية في أسرع وقت ممكن.